Ready, get set, let's race! Whee!
I'm on first, kid.
Yeah, yours did. Hi, Ryan!
Hi.
What are you playing with today?
I'm playing with construction trucks vehicles.
Nice! Oh, it can just go by itself?
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Hi!
Ooh.
Ooh.
This sure is a long truck.
Yeah. Nice.
Let's have to fix this together. Back.
Whee!
I'm gonna go do some work.
You gonna do work? Pick up. What are you picking up?
I'm picking up some grass.
Okay. What are you doing? Ooh. You're hooking it?
Or I can hook it right here too. Look, he's almost to Jake.
Oh, no, Jake.
Look, there's a new guy.
Oh, wow. Can you pick it up?
Yeah, but then this holder can move too. Kids, come to me. I'm not gonna scoop you.
You're scooping me, Ryan.
Let me get him out of here. Got him a little bit.
Oh, no. What's going on?
I'm trying to save him.
You're trying to save Jake?
Trying to hook it off, then he did it.
Oh, yeah?
I can pick it up.
Whoa.
That's easy.
Whoa.
I want
Oh. No.
it.
Oh, no. It's Joker, Ryan. Joker. Joker's coming for you. You got me. Oh, no. Whoa, what's going on? Run away. Run away. Let's run away. Whew. Oh, no.
Let's open it. He's operating.
Ooh.
So it doesn't make it fall. I didn't know it can turn like this.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it fell.
Open the lugging truck next.
This one? Nice.
Whoa! Cool. Logging truck. Let's pick up some logs. Putting the crane down. Down. Operate.
You got one? Nice. Ooh, yeah.
Let's pick up Disney cars.
Which one are you going to pick up?
It's going down. Ooh, this is cool day. Ah, what's picking me up? What's picking me up? What's picking me up? me!
Oh no. Lightning McQueen.
The operator in this logging truck didn't know it was a log, but it's lightning. It thinks it's a log.
Really? Yay! Oh no, Mater! Oh, Mater! All right. All ready?
Kids, if you hear the snap, you go.
Okay, go! Woo! I think you won, Ryan.
I only went farther. You touched it. Kids, you touched it first. I went farther.
Ready, get set, let's race! Woo!
I went first, kids.
Yeah, yours did.
Bye, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye, if you like this video, please subscribe.
Yay, bye!
Bye, bye.
Whoa,
Whoa.
that's cool.